that's the Jama.
Yeah, forever.
You're Hello Kitty.
Yeah.
What was this?
So then pack your toys. Pack everything. After you test it and see if it's your size. You need battery to put on your mini. So we see if it's working. I saw. Take battery here. Go upstairs, get battery so Daddy will help you put it. Go upstairs, get more battery. Do you see any battery? No. Let's see.
I got battery.
Yeah, remember to keep the battery off.
But this is all.
Yeah. Go up.
Yeah, you need to open it.
Go get screw and get battery. Okay? So oh. I got a why. This one said check baby check. Check. Oh yeah. Yes. I got this mug. Ho ho ho. Yeah. I got this candle, chocolate candle. Yeah, gingerbread scented candle. Yeah, she's nice. Oh, I thought this is hair bonnet. Oh my god. Wow, this is pajama set. Wow, that's nice. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I thought it was a hair bonnet. Wow. Material is a little bit stretchy. And the material is a little bit stretchy. Okay, yeah. Yeah, did you get battery? Give it to Daddy. Oh, your water battery then.
The battery for Mickey Mouse.
You need what?
Battery for Mickey Mouse.
Go and get battery.
I didn't get.
Go tell your mama to give you battery. Go.
Oh.
Here it is school. Yeah.
What's for the floor? Square.
Yeah. Tell your mama to give you more battery. So I got gingerbread, deep diffuser. I'm not going to open this one. I'll do this one later. So yeah, I'll do that later. Hi guys, welcome. So yeah. And a box of chocolate. Oh my god, we got so many chocolate this Christmas. Yes, we got so many chocolates. I hope you guys got a lot of chocolate as well. Okay, I'll find one later. I wish you can show us because I'm finished. I wish you can. Okay. Alright guys, thank you so much. So okay. Alright guys, thank you so much for unboxing our Christmas present with us. And see you guys next year, 2025 Christmas unboxing as well. Yeah. Matching clothes for me. Yeah, and clean your nose. So see you on my next video. It's your babe.
As well, baby.
You guys said what she said. It's your babe. As already she has done this for me. Bye guys. Love you. No, bye. Say mwah. Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, babe.
It's chocolate.
Yeah, right, guys.